Hi guys, I'm a Russian guy. My first time ever cooking Pakistani food.
And
So I'm excited.
they call pakoras.
Pakoras.
Pakoras. Yeah.
Pakoras.
Here we go. You know, I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces. We got all our potatoes cut here. So after cutting the potatoes we have already here. So we are going to cut the onions. So here we have the onions cut. So we're gonna now mix them with the potatoes. Here is the gram flour. So Sergey, this is the gram flour. You know the chickpeas?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go.
Did you get it here?
Yeah, it's
Flour?
available here as well. Yeah. सो ये अभी हम फ्राई कर रहे हैं और इसमें से हमने ये चार निकाल ली हैं और अभी मज़ीद फ्राई हो रहे हैं. सो मोर वी आर फ्राइंग देम. सो वी आर लाइक टेकिंग आउट दीज cooked pakoras. Fried pakoras. I have Sami with me now. Sergey is I asked him to sit now and wait.
Wait and watch.
Wait and watch. So he was with me before. Now I have an assistant. Sami is with me. He's a new assistant.
Yeah.
So Sami, please put the other pakoras in the oil.
Okay. We have to put.
Oh, good.
In a small quantity.
Small quantity. Okay, yeah. Because we are 3-4 people here, so small pakoras.
This is not the reason. The small quantity will cook.
Better. Yeah, that's the reason. So finally we finished with the pakoras and my friend Sergey is going to try it. Yeah, going to.
Most interesting part, yeah.
So we have some potato curry as well. So let's see what's the expressions of Sergey. Did he like it or not?
Of course I will. I will like it.
But Sergey, please give us our true opinion.
Of course.
Yeah. So
So what do we do now? I just
So first have a taste to the pakora, and I need your reviews about the pakora.
pretty good. It's the best pakora I've ever had in my life.
That's perfect.
Really nice. I mean, really, sorry.
It's perfect.
It's perfect. It's not that spicy, which is important.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.